That's a great question. I love the mops from Microfiber Wholesale. I will put my link down below. If you can't find it on TikTok, hop over to my Facebook page, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, or my website, crunchycleaningbyKathy.com, and I will have my affiliate links for Microfiber Wholesale. They make great mops, great mop pads. They make dusters. They make microfiber cloths. They make glass and mirror cloths. They make mops that you can take apart and then attach a high reach duster on it. It's amazing. I have some of their mop pads right here in my cleaning bag. So look at how thick this pad is. Look at that. Very, very thick, absorbent. You have thousands and thousands of little microfiber hairs that mop, and it's very, very long, so you get a lot more coverage as you're mopping. Absolutely love them. I've been using their mops for several years now. I go between the Libman Freedom Mop or the Microfiber Wholesale Mop. What I do love the most about the microfiber mops are that they're flat and there's no attachment on it, so they can easily slide under a couch or a bed, depending on how high it is. The telescopic pole can go up to about 7 feet, and I'm 5'7", so I can get at least 14 feet of coverage if I'm high reach dusting. And like I said, the mop can even convert to an attachment where it's a high reach duster. So you get a duster and mop in one. Absolutely love it. Again, use my affiliate link. It will help me out so I can keep helping you out. On my Facebook page, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, or on my website, crunchycleaningbyKathy.com. Great question. What else do you want to know? Ask me some more questions down below. Stay crunchified clean.
You ready? Let's go. You're so golden.